Hello everyone, it's Kevin here. I'd just like to show you a different view of the grid method. Here we are with the graph paper with small squares. That's part of a grid that's already imprinted on the paper. I have my numbers down the side and across the top, and I have my graphite paper underneath and have transferred the image onto the paper below, which is a Chameleon. And so now I start to ink in the object or the image. So you can see how much detail has gone into this drawing. Is quite a bit. I've had to change to my pen, my felt pen, because my fountain pen has had some issues with it. So I've decided to carry on with that. But it's still going all right. Everything's going okay. Just getting the detail in there on the eye, and there's, after all this time, there's still a lot of detail to do on the body and the tail yet, but that's just a matter of going one step at a time with it. It's not an easy subject to do, to be honest. It did take a lot of perseverance and detail to finally finish it, but it was well worth it in the end, I think. I sped the time-lapse up before, but it's slowed down again. So I don't know what happened there, but anyway, it's showing the intricacy of the detail that's involved in a chameleon. Apparently there's about 200 chameleon species in the world, and they come in a large number of sizes. And they get around with the use of their toes and tails. And the other amazing thing is, each eye of the chameleon can swivel in a different direction than the other. And they have panoramic vision. we've got through quite a few of the details there. It's amazing that there's so many scales on the Chameleon, and with their ability to change colour for camouflage and also for attracting a mate is an incredible feat in any animal. So they have a lot going for them, and there's still a lot of them around the world. So they're not exactly dying out. They are very slow, mind you,